Welcome to the video, and in this video we will be discussing about Figma, which is really important to make user interface, which is important in any project and as we are building YumRasoi, which is a full stack project. So here Figma is basically web-based design tool. Through this we can use build mobile interfaces, e-commerce page can be designed, and it is mainly used for your UI designs, whereas this can also be used for graphics and other things. Why Figma for YumRasoi? Because this can build or design user app screens for admin panel screens and can create prototypes. And sorry, what is FigJam Collaboration? Basically it is a thing where we can work in a team. So these are the thing about FigJam, and we are done with this video. Thank you.